Welcome to Food Fanatix. In this video, we'll be showing you how to make coffee ice cream sandwich. Beat 115 grams of butter until soft. Add 55 grams of caster sugar in small portions and beat well. Add 115 grams of plain flour, 1 tablespoon instant coffee, and mix into a dough. The coffee should be in powder form. Place the dough on cling and fold as shown. Roll out the dough. Refrigerate for 20 minutes. Place baking paper on top of the dough and roll out again. Freeze for 2 hours. Use a 6 cm cookie cutter and place on a baking tray. You can use any size of cookie cutter depending on how big or small you want your sandwiches to be. Bake in a preheated oven at 180 degrees for 20 minutes. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough. Once baked, allow them to cool on the tray before transferring to a wire rack to cool completely. Do not put the ice cream while the biscuit is still warm. Add coffee ice cream on one side of the biscuit. Do not place ice cream on the edges. Link in description if you'd like to make your own coffee ice cream. Freeze for 1 hour. You can freeze for longer if you desire a firm sandwich. You can lightly dust with cocoa powder.